Welcome to ResNexus. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new note to a guest in ResNexus. Start by logging into the back office. Once inside of the back office, find the Guests drop-down menu and select it. Here we can click on the Guest Lookup. Once inside of the Guest Lookup, look up the guest by the last name, first name, or however you can. Once you found your guest, select the guest and click on the notes on the right-hand side. Once inside of notes, you can add in your note. And click Add Note. Guest notes are really good for keeping track of food allergies or special needs or preferences that a guest has. That is how to add a guest note to a reservation in ResNexus. If you have any questions or there isn't a video on a topic that you feel should be covered, feel free to let us know down in the comments below, or select the playlist on the right-hand side that goes over a variety of different topics within ResNexus. Thank you for learning more about ResNexus.